Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall Xbox Game Bar on Windows 10 or 11. Firstly, press the Windows key plus Alt to open Keyboard and open the Settings app. Alternatively, you can click the Start menu and type Settings in the search bar, and then select it from the results. In the Settings window, type Xbox Game Bar in the search bar box at the top and hit Enter. This will direct you to the Xbox Game Bar settings. In the Xbox Game Bar settings, you'll see an option labeled Open Xbox Game Bar using this button on a control, and check the box next to this option to disable it. Just now, if you want to make sure, go back to Main Settings, click on Privacy, then select Background Apps. Find Xbox Game Bar in the list of apps and toggle the switch to off. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.